The world's electricity consumption in 2012 was 18,608 terawatt hours, and this staggering number continues to increase each and every single year.
The problem with electricity is storage. Increasing population will be having high demand, and rural areas do not get any reliable sources.
So we present to you Meraki Power. Power for now, for the future.
Our idea is to create a thermoelectric generator that converts the difference in temperature into electrical and usable energy.
So microturbines are the most widely used decentralized energy production solution in the market right now. And when you compare them to Meraki Power, the advantages of our solution are pretty obvious.
On the left, we have the microturbines, which are quite huge and can only be used in factories. Whereas on the right, we have Meraki Power, which is small, efficient, and can be fit inside the walls.
Our target market consists of construction companies and contractors, whereas the user base is mainly comprised of homeowners around the world.
Our product is unique because it's a renewable source. It has a low upfront cost, high commercial availability, and high efficiency rate.
How cool is that?